Oh, mnasema mambo ya job. Eh? Hapo iko kibarua. I've told you, we want to be, I'm an honest man. I'm an honest man. I don't want to sit here and lie to you that we have jobs for you. These jobs we are going to create together with you. This is a University of Science and Technology. Our members of the National Assembly very aggressively for 2 nights passed the finance bill to create a housing fund to construct 200,000 houses every year. Among those 200,000 houses, from this university, there will be architects, there will be quantity surveyors, there will be building engineers, there will be clerk of works, there will be electricians, there will be plumbers, and you will have an opportunity to earn a living. And that is the truth. Na kibarua iko. In the housing program, this university and the graduates from here are a very big beneficiary because you are the people to design these houses. The QSs are the ones to do the bill of quantities.